starting?
Yes.
Alright. So, this is our 2-wire control setup. So, after doing all of our checks and wiring with the system powered down and de-energized, now that we've had it inspected and we've made sure that we've minimized any risk of injury or harm, we'll go on ahead and re-energize, start the power back up, and energize the system through the lockout rod.
Then if you head over here to the buttons, we got the same thing with the lockout module power. Something's going over to the dual contactors, but focusing on the buttons, you see that one is still going to the e-stop. Going from here, the output of the e-stop to the input of the stop button, to the output of the output of the stop button to the start button, and then after that it goes output the start button all the way over here to power the dual contactors. And that versus the 3-wire connection, they're just missing 2 wires here, going to 2 wires here, and that's basically just telling it to latch on, making it so you can press the button. Obviously this is just 2 wires, so you press it, you don't press it. While you're pressing, it goes. While you don't press, it stops. You press start, press stop, it'll stop, and then press start and hold, and press the e-stop, it will stop.
So, originally, I was incorrect about this, which I do apologize for. The 2 original wires that went here, I will make this correction now. The 2 wires that went into here made it so that once the green button was pressed, the motor would stay on even if the button was let go of. However, as seen here, if you release the green button, the entire system shuts down, which is not what happened with the system prior. So, I was incorrect about that, and I apologize. However, what I said about these systems right here was correct. The current from these wires here transfer into this section here, acting as a form of a switch, very likely including these 2 wires, which dictate which position it is in, which then is transferred over into the overload relay.
This is overload relay. So protection from making the motor overheat. And so how it works is that there's 2 wires, and if the wire gets too hot, it will start curling and preventing further damage in the system.
Alright, and from the overload relay, power and energy flows to the motor, and this set of wires distributes power across all the poles of the motor, and that's the system. So now that we are done, we'll de-energize it, turn the power off, and reseal it up.